Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Majestica floor plan. This is part of the Manor line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennars Southwest Florida communities. The Majestica here is a two-story home, just under 3,300 square foot. You're going to get 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, a loft, and a 3-car garage. Let's walk inside here and take a look here. So as soon as we walk into the Majestica, or the Sorrento as it's known in other communities, you have this nice flex area right here. And then directly behind me, this is the entry to your split car garage. So your 3-car garage is actually split 2 on one side and 1 on the other. Then you've got your nice formal dining setup right here. And that is just off the kitchen here. So right past the dining space, we come right into the kitchen here. You've got a nice eating kitchen area, and then your kitchen island, which overlooks your main living room spaces here. And then down this hallway, we've got a few different things here. One, you've got understair storage right here. You've got a half bath downstairs. And then over here, this is going to be your entry to your 2-car garage. You've got your laundry room here. And then this is your first bedroom, which is shown here as an office. The nice part about this bedroom here is it piggybacks off the pool bath here. So you've got a full pool bath here and pool door going out to your lanai spaces. Now we're going to head upstairs and take a look at the second level. So coming past the living room and the kitchen again, we're going to head upstairs here. And right at the top of the stairs, it's going to split off to the right and to the left. Right here, you'll see it's nice and open and overlooks the living spaces downstairs. But just off to my left here, you've got a nice sitting area and the formal loft area here with the Majestica, or the Sorrento as it's known. Then you have this Jack and Jill style bathroom here with the dual sinks, and then the combination tub and shower commode. And that takes us right into the guest bedrooms here. There's one there upstairs. This is your second one here upstairs. And then as we come across the sitting area, you've got another guest bedroom right here. And this one also features a full bath with the singular sink, the commode, and a shower. Now last but not least, upstairs here, you've got the master bedroom. So really nice size master bedroom. That's a king size bed for perspective there. You've got huge closets here. There's closet number 1, and then directly across, you have a secondary closet here, both walk-in styles. And your master shower and bath here. So really nice size shower, big linen closet there, and then you've got the split sinks and your private water closet. Now last but not least, on the Sorrento would be the downstairs exterior living spaces. So we're going to take a look at your lanai space here with the Majestica. Now, as we pass the living space again, you've got a nice size under truss lanai here. So plenty big for a 4-top, as you see here, or even a 6-top. And then you've got additional space off to the side of the pool area, should you elect to get a pool. And you have space on the other side as well. So fantastic exterior living spaces here with the Majestica. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can contact us at all of the information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto. Hey, and we appreciate you watching our videos.